Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Can you say mommy?
Mommy.
Can you say Bella?
Bella.
Yeah, good job. Can you say Max?
Max.
Can you say Milani?
Honey.
Can you say car?
Cow.
Can you say baby?
Baby.
Yeah. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you say hello? Hello. Yeah, like on the phone. Say hello.
Bye-bye.
Can you say night-night?
Nana.
Can you say I love you?
No.
No, not that one. Can you say yes?
Last.
Can you?
Last.
Yes. Can you say juice?
Fish.
Can you say please?
Peace.
That's right. Can you say thank you? Oh, can you say all done? Say done.
Nah.
Good. Very good. That's some good words, buddy.
Let's have
Okay, bye-bye.